Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix signal phone not appear on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. If you ever had this problem on your device, and then you can do these steps to solve it. First, you can turn off your phone. And then if this method doesn't work, you can open the settings menu, and then select this option. Okay, after that here you can select SIM manager, and then you can make sure that the SIM card is active. But if it looks like this, and then you can activate it by tapping the button here. Okay, and then for the last step, you can reset the network settings. Please enter to the General Management menu, and then click Reset Options. After that, here you can click Reset Network Settings, and then you can click Reset Settings. Before you get reset, here there will be the following statement. Okay, after that, please click Reset below. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix signal phone not appear on Samsung Galaxy A05 device.